There's an issue. I need to raise a ticket. Okay, so let me find the right place. I believe this is the portal, and oh gosh, there's so many things. Yeah, let me click maybe this link. Oh my god, there's like thousands of fields to be populated. No way I'm gonna waste my time doing that. Yeah, I'm going to call IT directly. Hello everyone. If you're planning to implement Service Portal to promote self-service approach, or you actually did that already, but the portal stays the most quiet place, which means no visits, no traffic, no tickets created via portal, you should be joining our webinar. Together with our UX expert, we are going to discuss what are the most common mistakes related to the user interface design and how to avoid them. Hope to see you there.